Hello guys, and welcome to those Jerkies times 3. My name is Kenisa, and today we are headed on a trip. Okay guys, what's up? We are packed and ready to go. They're the puppies. Marley. Okay, no more whining. We're going out of town. Bailey. So we are headed out to Hilton Head to go to the beach for the weekend. I don't know if you guys remember watching, it's early, sorry for my voice. I don't know if you remember watching the beach haul. And I said we were going to the beach. Well, we never ended up going. Some things came up, so we had to cancel. So now we're taking a quick trip to the beach since it's a 3-day weekend for myself. And Jaren has a 3-day weekend. We decided to go to the beach because it's not that far. It's maybe like 3.5 hours away. So we were like, let's just drive up to Hilton Head. So right now we're stopping for gas. And then we're going to get on the road. That's why the dogs are whining, because Jaren is out pumping gas. Alright.
Like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. Your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Baby, come on, be my baby. 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 Come on, be my baby, come on. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
So the girls have on their swimsuits. Marley has on his swim shirt. And we did bring their life jackets. So, it should be fun. It's so pretty out here. And it's so nice. Like, it's literally, what's today? February 19th? And it's like 80 degrees out. So it's beautiful. So we're excited to get to the beach. Alright, we made it to the beach. We're gonna pick a spot and set up shop. Whoa, it looks so pretty. We're excited. So we'll get back to you after we set up. Alright guys, we're at the beach. There's our little setup. Our umbrella was an epic fail. I don't know. We couldn't figure it out. And we couldn't find a good Samaritan to help us out. So, we're here. This is their first time going into the beach. I don't know if they're going to be scared or what. I'm Marley and Zoe. Yeah, it look a little rough out there. It might knock Zoe's skirt right off. Alright guys, so even though it's fairly beautiful out, it is too cold. I'm scared to put them all the way in there with their fur and then they'll be freezing. fun. The dogs had fun. And we are headed to go grab something to eat. They're exhausted. They walked in the sand a little bit and they did get their feet in the water, so they're kind of tired, and I'm tired too. So they were gonna eat, and we might go to the outlet and then head back to the hotel and relax for a bit. So we'll see. Alright guys, so this is our room. We have 2 full beds, and it has the vinyl flooring, which we really like, especially because we're at the beach and with the dogs. They have an accident. And we have the TV, dresser area, microwave, and then there is refrigerator. We have a little desk area, the second bed. Then we have this. There's a mirror right here, and there's another mirror right there. The vanity area, and then here's the bathroom. I really like the tub. It's a walk-in or stand-in tub. So that's the room. Oh Lord, I have sand like all over, and we had to go and buy some shampoo. So we're finna shower. Well, I had sand everywhere, so we had to go and buy some shampoo. So we are about to take showers, get the dogs baths, and relax because we're exhausted. We're gonna go to the outlets, but we're gonna go tomorrow because it is outside the tolls. Like, to get into the area of Hilton Head that we're in, you have to go through a toll. So we're just gonna wait till tomorrow to go through the toll, but get started on this stuff. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 at Hilton Head. We just checked out of the hotel. Got the dogs all dressed and ready to go. They had to get a bath last night. They had too much sand on them. I didn't want them to sit with that salt water. So I ended up giving them a bath, and then I didn't even pick up the camera again, but we are now checking out, and we are going to go get some breakfast, and then we're going to head to the Tanger outlets that are right out of the, once you get out of the toll, they're kind of right there. So we're going to do all that, and then we're going to head home. So it was really fun. The dogs enjoyed it. They really liked the hotel, I think. Alright, so guess we're gonna get our day started. Before I get into my likes and dislikes, the first thing I'm going to do is just go over the pamphlet with you guys that you can get from PetSmart and show you the different plans and the different options that they have.